Welcome back to C2s and K5s. We are in the process of reassembling the engine so we can get it back in the car. I have put one of the heads on and the head gasket on the other side. I got the new one for this, so I'm going to show you doing that. Again, I'm no mechanic, so don't take any of my mechanical advice, and this is the first time I'm doing this too, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So first off, underneath here we cleaned all that surface off really good, wiped it all down with some brake clean so it's good and clean. I wiped down the bottom surface of the other head, and that's going to go on, and then I've got my bolts set up and ready to go, and I'm going to keep one of them right over here so I can have that ready to go to drop on there just to secure it so it doesn't slide off. I thought this should be like more flat. I don't know why the engine stand's holding it like that, but we're going to put that on and make sure we get those dowel pins lined up. These cast iron heads are heavy. There we go. Let's stick that number one bolt in there and start getting a couple threads going. Just to make sure that thing doesn't slide off. I'm gonna give this thing a couple whacks just to make sure she's sitting flat on there. We've got the first 7 bolts are all the ones that are going in these main holes right here on the top. The ones on the outer edges are a little bit, this shorter? Yeah, those two are a little shorter. And these already have the sealant already on there, so you won't have to do that. Otherwise, I would say you should be using some kind of RTV or something like that, just to make sure, because a lot of these go through the water passages and you don't want coolant leaking out there. So I got those on. Then all my short ones, these 8 short ones are going to go in the holes here, and I'm going to use my electric ratchet just to get them down, and then I'm going to torque them down. And it looks to me like you do it in 3 sequences, like 30 foot-pounds, then 50, and then 70. So we're going to do that. Let's start all these by hand just to make sure I don't jack up any threads. All right. So I'm still going to do the same sequence just for running these down. So you start in the middle and then you work your way in like a circle pattern. So we're going to do that first. And 17. Alright. I've already got my torque wrench set to 30. So same order. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15 is the end one. 16 is the other end, towards the front of the vehicle. And then 17 is that low one in the front. Alright. Now we're going to roll up to 50. Alright. Lock that down, same order. That's 17 there. And now we're going to go up to 70. Right there. Number 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that one's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Alright, that's all torqued down, torqued spec. Next, I'm going to give this a little shot of paint because this head's still kind of a little nasty. We're going to clean that up a little bit, and then I will, in the next video, we'll do the intake manifold, get that on there mounted, and then get her ready to put back on the engine hoist and get her back in the car. Thanks for watching.